Up, up, down, down. Hey everybody, welcome back. We are working on the new place. I mentioned last time that I got some weapons that upgraded. That was a lot of fun. All the weapons when they hit level 10 to do something. But we got a cinematic, so I'm gonna shut up.
My friends, it is a black day for Dread Zone fans across the galaxy. Ace Hardlight, champion exterminator and respected philanthropist, was brutally cut down by the maniac contestant known as Ratchet, aka the Butcher of Bogan.
Fans reacted to Ace's defeat with shock and outrage.
Boo! We hate you, Ratchet. You cheated.
Ratchet is a malicious criminal. He must be punished.
Bowing to public pressure, Gleam and Vox acted quickly to address the issue.
Fans of Dread Zone, I share your pain for the loss of the mighty Ace Hardlight. I encourage you all to express your grief and sympathy by purchasing this limited edition Ace Hardlight Memorial Action Figure on sale now for only 299 bulls.
A Vox News investigation later revealed that
Ratchet
used banned performance-enhancing drugs.
In accordance with Dread Zone Regulation C6-5/9, Paragraph 2, Ratchet has been sentenced to meet his fate on the Gauntlet of Doom! This special event will be broadcast live tomorrow night only on Dread Zone!
What I think is interesting is that they say that he's like the worst exterminator, but like that's what everyone was doing. That's what Ace Hardlight was doing, and the Eviscerator and Reactor, all, like everyone was killing other people. So shouldn't they be happy that this? I don't know. I just think that they should be ecstatic that this is happening. And for some reason they're not. I don't know why. So I actually have to go back in here and then go to the ghost station. I don't know why I wasn't already there.
Battle course is now open.
Haunted by the angry spirits of Dread Zone's fiercest warriors, continue to survive the station Gauntlet of Doom and find a way off this forsaken place. I'm gonna go ahead and guess yes, because I'm Ratchet, and that's what I do. I've done it for 4 games so far. I think I'm gonna be able to do it. That just narrowly missed the ceiling there. That was really close.
I cannot believe this, folks. We are live from some blarg awful station out in the middle of nowhere. Ratchet and Clank, aka Team Darkstar, have conquered 9 planets, survived hundreds of arena battles, and even defeated Dread Zone's grand champion, Ace Hardlight. Who would have ever imagined this? Now, in a drastic and downright vindictive move, Gleam and Vox has sent Team Darkstar to the Ghost Station. The course is unbeatable, unbearable, unthinkable, and I'm having an aneurysm just talking about it.
Alright, so I don't know. Probably not.
Don't worry,
Nope.
Ratchet. I will make sure you get out alive. My nav grid shows an abandoned ship on the other side of the station. There is a grind rail nearby that will take you to the station's core. I will give you more information when you get there.
Everything looks like a. You see, they all look like ghosty versions of the regular. Wait, what was that? Oh, jeez, there's one more. Couldn't figure out where that was from.
Try any of this at home. Go to
Okay,
a
so
friend's
let me
house.
show you. Like, if I'm up high, you see it actually fires 3 shots and a shitload more of that stuff. So this is pretty close to getting a level. Ah! Oh! Well, this isn't a good way to kill this guy. Oh, is there more? There's another one. Oh, he's right there. I thought I could hear it. I was like, why? This is driving me nuts. Where is he? This is a very bad way to go about doing this. Alright. Just kind of waiting. Okay, there we go. Oh, look how close this is to getting a level. Alright, go ahead and do this. These turrets are awesome. I like these. I'm sensing a pattern here. Also, it kind of looked like... Oh, maybe it's not. I thought it was one of the grab things that we could...
Look, we know this is going to end with Ratchet splattered halfway from here to Florano. Why don't we skip it and head back to my...
There we go. Alright, one more. One more and they are...
condo for a cocktail and a dip in the jacuzzi.
No, I prefer to stay where the real action is.
Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead and do that. Killing those things. You're dead. Is there anything over this way? I'm gonna check. We go ahead and say that's a no. So we can just kind of boost back. Back to the bikers. Ow. I gotta quit walking straight at people that can kill me. Oh, missed that guy.
Have you ever wondered what's in the special sauce?
Well, where's my aim? Don't die.
This creature is clearly much too dangerous to be set free. He must be destroyed.
Fuck. Shit. It kind of looked like I just leapt off the edge there. I don't know if I did or not. I did not. Thank goodness. Alright, die. Die, thank you. All fine of armor. Oop. Yeah, you. Go ahead and just drop. You see how it just kind of disintegrated? That's like the upgrade. The upgrade, ew, they just disintegrate. They don't even... Don't even blow up. They just... Whoa, almost hit that. Alright, first try. Not bad. Not bad.
You know, I was just bluffing earlier. I knew Ratchet would pull it off. So, about the cocktail jacuzzi thing.
Oh, I didn't get a single skill point. Sadness.
Oh, isn't that a shame? Team Darkstar's only escape has been cut off. Wonder how they'll get past this one.
They are on to us, Ratchet. Dread Zone has activated a force field blocking you from the supply ship. However, if you can capture the control nodes in that quadrant, I believe I can override the force field.
Okay. So let's do that. Let's do what you just said, but not because you said it, but because I thought of it. I'm not going to be able to kill this thing with the raptors at all, I know. Nope. Big guy down there somewhere. I'm pretty sure he wants a scorpion flail. Whoa! Whoa!
Sir, if we don't make it out
Oh, God. No. No to that malarkey.
Sir, if we don't make it out alive, I just want to say it was an honor serving with you.
Whoop. Okay. See, we got this. Pretty sure that something, yep, something does show up.
Folks, just a reminder, tomorrow is Kick Your Best Friend in the Pants Day. Free popcorn for everyone who
This
participates.
looks like a ramp thing. It is, I can walk on this. That does me no good. That just walked me outside of here. That's not helpful at all. Fine, I'll murder you with this thing. I see that there's one behind us. Jackpot. Face, what up? More face, what up? So watch, if a dropship comes up and I get really close, I can hit it with all three of those things. And then just backing him up. Is there one above me? There is.
One thing about Ratchet, you give him any lip and he'll feed you a lead sandwich. You better believe that, Juanita.
Yeah, putting him on ice. That's what I'm doing right now. Juice is cold and generic brand text gelatin is definitely jiggling. Doop doop doop. There's something. Oh, there's a dropship above me. I like when you're like with this thing when you're just slapping the air and then just icicles drop down. I'm just gonna go ahead and smack the ground beneath you, and for some reason that's gonna kill you. Level 8. Speed mod. Alright, so where am I going?
Ratchet, run!
Oh, I jump link over there. Okay, here we go. Don't fail me now. Memory serves, the best way to do this is to ignore everything and make my guys capture. Whoop. Okay, oh, there's the end. Where's that? Oh, there's Blaine. Take over. And I'm mowing him down. What are you shooting at? Oh shit. Continue shooting at it. Oh, this thing's about to blow. This is the first time I will have seen a turret blow up.
Oh, this guy
Alright,
should
I gotta
have
get
his
out of
own
it.
fitness machine, his own shoes, his own fat
I'll take over this one.
barbecue.
Yeah, see, red one he has it, blue one I've got it. There we go. So now, jump like off this thing, which I guess is this way, and then go over there. I don't know, life, we'll figure it out. Me and you together, you two, we're gonna figure this shit out. Oh, I made it, okay. Yep, there it is. Go that way. I feel like I should dash and take this over real quick, like. Indeed, I should. Alright, kill the dropship. Kill the big guy. Little guy. And then just kind of go for it. Ugh. I'm not even in there. I'm not even in the thing. I'm just chilling next to it, like, yeah, no, that's fine. This right here is fine. That's stealing a hover
Nothing's easy in
ship.
Red Zone, baby. Team Darkstar.
No, I'm not gonna buy you
They have a
D6.
clear escape, but come on, folks. We're not letting them go that easy. I mean, this whole battle course is intended to send them to the grave.
Oh dear, you are still stuck.
Oh dear.
It appears there is a 6-phase theta glyph encrypted force field blocking your escape. I am unable to crack the encryption from. However, if you destroy the encryption computers that control the
Oh,
force
yeah,
field,
if he went for
that
me, I
might
would have been
short it
dead
out.
right there.
Sir, request permission to begin hacking.
Permission granted. Keep going, big guy. And next time, just start hacking.
Oh, this is more fun than a busload of cheerleaders.
It's not, though.
Bypass
It's
complete.
not.
2 orbs to go, sir. Almost there, sir. One more orb and that door's open.
Oh, door's open. Don't go for me! Don't go for me! Ugh. Those other times when I said I should have died, that was also one of those times.
Sir, request permission to begin hacking. Bypass complete. 2 orbs to go, sir. Almost there, sir. One more orb and that door's open.
Okay, are we... This is a little bit disorienting. I've got a blue weapon that I'm hitting repeatedly. Oh, jeez. I like that there's all those guys coming. I got a blue weapon that I'm hitting repeatedly.
Yes, set up, sir.
On top of that,
Last thing I need
everything is
get
blue.
killed in some tragically ironic way.
Yeah, you're a zombie. Did I already get healed? I did not. Oh my god, they were making the zombies. That's what just happened. They just leapt out of this thing. Dread Zone makes zombies. That's the whole conspiracy cover-up. It was not the Umbrella Corporation. I like that my theory behind doing this isn't necessarily take the least amount of damage as it is freeze them so they can't do the damage. That's the hover ship. So I still need to take care of stuff this way. In the face, what up in the face? This one I'm a little nervous about, so I'm actually gonna go with the silencer. Silence! Is anyone else talking? Okay then. How I like it. Alright. I'm gonna turn this corner. I'm gonna say it one more time. Silence! Oh, I'm gonna do this. No, what hit me? Something like way over there must have hit me. Oh, the advantage of this is that there's absolutely no advantage of this. I would say the advantage was going to be that I was already done with those things, only I'm very clearly not. Where's the... Ah! Even the guys are blue. Hard to see.
Bypass complete. 2 orbs to go, sir. Almost there, sir. 1 more orb and that door's open.
They're guys, yeah. So wait, is that... What up? No, kind of straight line is great for this.
Could be a setup, sir. Last thing we need is to get killed in some tragically ironic way.
Fuck! Ugh, that guy didn't even have a head. How did he find me? Okay, my plan is to fuck it. I'm just.
Boss, when this is all over.
Sir, request permission to begin hacking.
Yes, you may start hacking.
Bypass complete. 2 orbs to go, sir. Almost there, sir. 1 more orb and that door's open.
Whoa! This announcer is impressed.
Oh, this gun is like the definition of collateral damage.
Could be a setup, sir. Last thing we need is to get killed in some tragically ironic way.
Tragically ironic way, like getting killed by a guy that's got no head. That's I would classify that as ironic. Like, that guy was not expecting that with the door open. I'm gonna go ahead and guess that. Don't anybody kill me, let me kill you first. Okay. Level 9, getting close. It's almost a Leviathan flail. Really? No, it's not a thing. I do still have to go all the way around. Okay. I am still worried about this. Even though I took out just about everyone in one shot. Okay, nothing stupid. I'm serious. From anyone. That includes myself. Super cereal. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're in the room. We're killing guys. I'm getting shot. Getting healed after getting shot. Big guys coming in. Do I just have to blow up the TV? I do have to blow up the TV. You're in the room now. Doot. Okay. Now we just need to go get that thing, and then we're done. No, we're done. We're done right there. Damn it, I could have been done a while ago. Okay. Well, let's see. We're at time. So we're going to watch this little cinematic here. And then we'll pause
The
it.
impossible has been achieved! Team Darkstar has actually survived through the Ghost Station's infamous gauntlet of it looks like it's all over. Or is it?
Ratchet, we must make sure they can never use the station again. Destroy the station's outer turrets that guard the power cores. Then, destroy the central core and bring the station down. We will deal with Vox when you return.
Okay, so I'm going to pause it right here. And I'm going to start the next episode right at this point. So, I will catch you guys next time. And we're going to take down a station. Alright, later.